Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download Anaconda and how to install Anaconda. So just search Anaconda and press download here, and you need to choose your operating system. For us it's Windows, and we choose this 3.7 64-bit. Yeah, and then if you press here, I already downloaded this. And you run the installer, and next agree, and remember to check this add Anaconda to the path environment variable. This is important, and then install. Okay, so now it's completed, and next, and finish. Okay, so now it's finished, and in the next video I will show you how to set up everything in command line. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.